Alright guys, so I'm here at the Marlowe apartments in Centennial Hills. I have done a video with them about almost 10 months ago, like almost a year ago. I came and toured the place. It was still getting finished, so a couple of things I didn't add to my video I'm going to add today. I'm so excited because when I first toured them, I really fell in love with them. I love the layout, I love the way it looks, I love that it's a small community, not a large one. And it is gated, it has elevators and stairs as well, just in case the elevators don't work. But the Marlowe team was nice enough to invite me back, so let's go check these out and let's see if anything has changed when it comes to the price sheet, and I'll let you know at the end of the video. So let's go check them out. Now, do all of the apartments come with this type of fridge, or is it different? I always forget.
The one bedrooms are going to be a little bit smaller compared to the 2-bedroom and 3-bedrooms, but they're all Samsung stainless steel.
Perfect. Okay guys, so with the crime count, you have 0 homicides, 1 sex offenses, 8 aggravated assault, 2 robberies, 11 burglaries, 38 larceny, 9 motor vehicle theft, 0 embezzlement, 3 drugs and narcotics, 0 arson, 0 forgery, 16 destruction of property, 0 stolen property, 4 fraud, 0 extortion, and 0 bribery. And with the sex offenders, you guys, I only found 5 offenders in 4 locations and none in the apartment. Okay guys, so that was the Marlowe at Centennial Hills. So let's go with the move-in basics. Application fee is $55 per applicant. Security deposit refundable is $250. Admin fee is non-refundable $250. Then the essentials is internet service is $90 per unit. Parking covered is $25. Pest control service is $3. Now you're allowed to have your own insurance. That way it covers your stuff and the apartment as well. Then you have a trash service hauling, which is $7. Then you have a utility billing administration fee is $5.78. Then you have utility, which is final bill fee. It's going to be $17, but that's going to be at the end of your lease. Utility gas is based on usage. Utility new account fee is $17. Utility sewer and water is based on usage. And then they do have the CAM fee, which is community amenity fee, is $40. Personalized add-ons is pet deposit refundable is $250. Pet fee is $300. Pet rent is $35. And then again, the renter's insurance, they have their own, you guys, which is $14.50. But that's going to cover their property, not your stuff. So that's why I say definitely get your own insurance. That way it covers your stuff plus the apartments. This is optional. Storage space rental is between $50 and $125. That is optional. Now, let's say you do have an ESA pet. It's the same with all the apartments, you guys. You just have to submit all the documents. That way they can verify that it is an ESA pet, and then all these fees will be waived. The situational fees, this is just in case. So have a look through. They do have EV parking, you guys, and they do have the charges just in case you do have an electric vehicle. So yeah, just letting you know that. All right, you guys, so these are the current prices of the apartments. So a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom is starting at $1,725. That is the A3. You have another one that is 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom. It's $1,815, and that is A4. Then you have a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. It's going for $1,990. That is B1 and B2. Then you have another one that is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom starting at $2,180, and that is for the B3, B4, B5, and the B5 is $88. Then you do have the 3-bedroom, 2 bathrooms. Now, I did not view this the last time. I was so excited to see the 3-bedroom, 2 bathroom. Let me tell you, I love the layout, so it was really nice. Now, right now, the C1 is starting at $24.95. Then you do have an 80A 3-bedroom, 2 bathroom, and that is going for $23.30. These are the specials right now that are going on at the Marlowe. It says $1,000 off move-in before June 30th. App and admin waived if they apply in 48 hours from tour, and then 8 weeks free starting 2nd month. You do have to make 3 times base rent, and then you are in charge of creating the NV Energy account, which is going to give you electricity. Also, if you do want to see how far everything is at from these apartments, you guys, I'm going to leave it above here, and then I'm also going to leave it down below. That way you can just click on the video and it'll take you to the video. That way you can see how far everything is at from these apartments. I will say that the neighborhood is pretty good. It looks very like family oriented just because you are surrounded by houses. And then you also do have a hospital literally right around the corner. And if you don't have a car, you guys, you can walk to the shops. I know they have Smith's, I believe it's TJ Maxx or Marshall's, but they have Daiso, they have a petrol station, they have a pharmacy. So there's just so much around the corner that you can just walk it if you wanted to. So it's really convenient if you don't have a car, let's just say. But you are pretty far away from like the strip and stuff, so just want to let you know. That way if you do see the first video, you're going to see how far like the airport is, the strip, all the good stuff that Vegas has, right? But yeah, you're close to a freeway as well. Again, it is a gated community. You are enclosed, so you're gonna have like an elevator and stairs as well. So yeah, it's a really nice community, you guys. I was really like grateful that they reached out and you know they wanted me to tour the place again. So I really just want to say thank you to the Marlowe team and to Christina for touring the place with me. She was my tour guide. 10 out of 10 customer service, you guys. We had a lot of fun, and any questions that I had, she answered them. So yeah, it was just really fun to go see some of the things that I didn't see in my previous video with them. So if you do want to tour this place, just let them know that I sent you. And yeah, if this kind of checks all the boxes, you know, definitely add them to your list. But I will see you guys in my next video. And don't forget, you guys, give it a good thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and then turn on that post notification bell. That way, as soon as I upload a video, YouTube will let you know. Thanks guys for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. And yes, I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.